Alrighty guys, here's a trade recap for Tuesday, August 29th. So, first thing coming to the market, really all I'm saying is these relatively equal highs up here. So, I'm initially very bullish. We get a good bit of chop for about the first 9-10 minutes of market open. And we get our lovely first presented fair value gap. And obviously, since I have these highs, I'm waiting for the fair value gap to form, that third candle to close. And as you see, the bodies do not overlap each other on either one, so we do it full from body to body. And we enter on this candle. Don't get the best fill ever. Got it at 19,449.25. Not the best fill ever at all. We definitely could have waited to get a little bit more premium at the halfway point of that fair value gap, or consequent encroachment, as ICT likes to call it. And then after we enter, I mean, it's basically just managing the position. My initial bias was obviously these relatively equal highs, but I'm extremely conservative and I'm building up my pro-funded account from Take Profit Trader. So I need to get this $3,000 buffer before I can start taking payouts. And I just wrote it. I was basically, my target was this new week opening gap low, and it got extremely close right here. And well, obviously it blew through it here, but it got extremely close right here. And I had a brain fart, and instead of closing my position, because I was really hoping to get over $1,000 today, instead of closing my position, I turned off my stop loss. So I took a little bit of drawdown. Usually it bounced like right above $1,000 right in here somewhere right before it took this, because I just want to make sure this wasn't acting. It wasn't going to reverse on me here at all. But obviously if I would have held, it took out our relatively equal highs. It wicked up there. Got 44.5 handles off of this. If we would have held on, let's see, shoulda, coulda, woulda, that would have been 89 handles. Literally would have been $1,600 win on one contract, which would have been awesome. And obviously now you can see, I won't be able to get that. Okay, that's perfect. Obviously now you can see price is going to return back to that fair value gap, as I always say it does. But yeah, that's it. Simple. We were out by 8:47. We didn't even have to wait until the macro. I mean, the macro so far today has been choppy. We've got job openings. Is that what it is today? Let me see. We got Jolt's job openings at 9 a.m. So I was debating on just waiting until then to trade, but I guess it seems like it's 9 a.m. right now. That's what that wick is doing. Yeah, that's the trade for today. Super simple, super easy. This is an early trade recap for me, just because I had so much time since I'm already out of my trade today. But yep, plus $885 in the funded account. Hoping to get a payout end of this week, early next week. Yeah, that's it. If y'all want to see a written form of this trade recap, you can go to my Twitter at Gilly Trades, or at Gilly_trades, and I'll be posting a written form of my trade recap there. Alrighty guys, thank you all and talk to y'all tomorrow.